Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a squared minus b squared. So we just have only a minus b. To create about a squared minus b squared, we need to multiply by a plus b. Because I want to cancel about the square root, that's why we need to have the power 2 in here. So we need to multiply by on numerator and denominator. So for this one, we need to get about 1 plus sin x minus 1 minus sin x. So we need to open parentheses. One minus one we cancel. Sin x you got about 2 sin x. Now we have the formula in here. We know that when x approaches to number 0, sin x over x from here to here, you got about number 1. So in this situation, we will have about number 2 multiplied by number 1 over, we put number 0 going here and here. We calculate about this one, and you got about the square root of number 1, you got about 1, similar for this one, and you got about 2. And we simplify, and you got about number 1. Now let's go to the next one. We have the formula in here. That is about a squared minus b squared equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So for this one, you got about the square root of s to the power of 2. Tan s, that's about the square root of tan s to the power of 2. Now we need to apply the formula in here. And you got about the square root of s plus the square root of tan s multiplied by the square root of s minus the square root of tan s. So if we simplify on numerator and denominator, you still have only about this one in here. So if I put number 0 going here, number 0 going here, you will have about 0. And you got about 0 in here. The last one, sin 2x, we can change into 2 sin x cosine x. Sin x, we simplify. And now we can put number 0 going here. And we have 1 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.